Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update following my last video on the GoPro Hero 7 White. So there was one thing I wanted to correct myself on. I did tell you guys it comes with 8 gigabytes internal storage, and that was incorrect on my part. I do take responsibility and apologize. It does not come with any memory, so you are going to have to buy a micro SD card. There is a lot of affordable options, and it's great because like I showed you in the previous video, you can use one of these and just transfer it to the computer with ease, any of your video files. And I also wanted to show you guys a quick clip of how it performs outdoors. So let's check out that clip I took earlier. And as you can see, it's a phenomenal camera for its price. I hope you guys liked this quick update. I did want to make a point to correct myself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you stay till the end, you'll see the link to my previous video, the GoPro Hero 7 White review. Thank you guys and have a great day. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe and share with all your friends. Thank you and have a great day.